take control of notifications.
Silence unnecessary alerts. Turn off non-essential app notifications on your devices. Only allow messages or reminders that are truly important. This reduces distractions, keeps you focused on the present, and helps prevent the urge to check your screen constantly.
Schedule screen-free times.
Designate specific hours each day for no screens. Maybe it's during meals, before bed, or first thing in the morning. Use this time to reconnect with yourself, your surroundings, or loved ones, creating healthy boundaries between you and your devices.
Streamline your home screen.
Keep only essential apps on your home screen. Move distracting social media or entertainment apps to a folder or a separate page. This creates intentional friction, making mindless scrolling less tempting and helping you access only what you need.
Embrace the power of single tasking.
Focus on one digital task at a time. Close unnecessary tabs and apps. Avoid constant switching between activities. By concentrating your attention, you'll find your time online becomes more productive and less likely to spiral into endless browsing.
Replace screen time with mindful activities.
Swap digital distractions for mindful moments. Read a book, take a walk, meditate, or start a journal. These activities help you relax and recharge without screens. Over time, you'll naturally reach for your devices less and feel more present in your daily life.